Hello, welcome back. I haven't been on here for a while, but here's a new look. We're going to start by adding yellow eyeshadow to the top of the eyelid. The yellow I'm using is from the Zulu by Juvia's Place. Okay, next we'll be using a green eyeshadow and blending that with the yellow. And I'm using the Crayon case, the matte book. And I'll be blending 2 shades of the green because I wanted to have a deeper look. Now we're taking a darker shade of blue and placing it at the outer corner of the eyelid and blending it in a little with the green. Okay, and now it's time to add your concealer and clean up your look. Okay, now with a smaller brush, I'll be applying a lighter green to the middle of my eyelid, and I won't be going over the full eyelid, and I'll show why. And this is with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And again, I'll be mixing 2 shades of green just because I like the way these two look together. Now, using the same palette, I'm using my blending brush to take a lighter shade of blue and blend in that blue I used previously and the light green I just applied. And now from the matte book, I'll be using the white eyeshadow and blending that to the light green. Now apply your black eyeliner. Apply your mascara to your top eyelashes. Now this step isn't necessarily for everyone, but I do color correction and concealer. And now I apply my eyelashes. These are from my own brand, and this style is called Royal. Finally, the foundation, contour, and highlight. I like to do this last. And here is the finished beauty part of this face, but this was just the beginning for my Halloween look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I will be posting the link for the Halloween look in the description, and here it is. Please tune in.